Pick any trail you want.
Yay!
Go by that. Just stay there by that.
Why is it so many people going back?
Look at the